Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips and DIY projects. Today, we're taking on a small kitchen remodel from start to finish. Whether you're looking to maximize your space or just update your style, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning and budgeting. Step 1 is planning and budgeting. Start by measuring your kitchen and sketching a layout. Determine what changes you want to make, such as new cabinets, countertops, or appliances. Planning ahead ensures a smooth renovation process. Step 2. Demolition. Next up is demolition. Clear out the old to make way for the new. Remove cabinets, countertops, flooring, and any fixtures you're replacing. Be sure to shut off utilities and wear safety gear during this step. If you're not comfortable with demo work, consider hiring a professional. Step 3. Electrical and plumbing updates. Now it's time for electrical and plumbing updates. If you're adding new appliances, outlets, or lighting, this is the moment to get it done. Hire licensed professionals to ensure everything is up to code and safely installed. This step is crucial for a functional and safe kitchen. Step 4. Drywall and painting. Once the electrical and plumbing are in place, it's time to patch up the walls and apply a fresh coat of paint. Choose light, neutral colors to make the space feel larger and more open. Painting before installing cabinets and countertops makes the process much easier and cleaner. Step 5. Installing cabinets. With the walls ready, it's time to install the cabinets. Start with the upper cabinets, then move to the lower ones. Ensure they are level and securely fastened to the wall. Custom cabinets can maximize your storage space, but pre-made options are also great for budget-friendly renovations. Step 6. Countertops and backsplash. Next, install the countertops and backsplash. Choose durable materials like quartz, granite, or laminate for the countertops, and add a stylish backsplash to protect the walls and add visual interest. This step ties the kitchen design together and adds a touch of elegance. Step 7. Flooring. Now, let's tackle the flooring. Options like tile, vinyl, or hardwood are durable and easy to clean, making them perfect for kitchens. Install the flooring carefully to ensure a smooth, even surface. A new floor can completely transform the look of your kitchen. Step 8. Lighting and fixtures. Lighting is key in a small kitchen. Install bright, energy-efficient lighting to make the space feel larger and more inviting. Under cabinet lighting can provide additional task lighting. Don't forget to install your new faucet and sink fixtures as well. And there you have it, the complete small kitchen remodel from start to finish. Here's a look at the before and after. The transformation is truly remarkable, turning a cramped space into a beautiful and functional kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement ideas and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.